That's a cool truck. Hey, do you want to race against my Winnebago? Your truck versus my Winnebago. Who do you think is going to win? And how much you want to bet? $2? Okay, where are we going to go?
Up the hill.
Up the hill? But I got a big Winnebago. That's how many cars we got. I don't know, I'm not sure how many there is, but there's quite a bit.
And there's a couple more yet in the parking lot.
Yeah. Oh, here comes a tank. Bringing up the rear.
That's right. We got a few.
Yeah, there's a few more coming over there.
A few stragglers back there. That's right. 28. Wow.
Not including the going on trailers. Look at all the cars. Can you count all the cars? Oh, there's a Chevelle. Oh, Chevelle's stuck. Stuck in the bush. We got a couple gatekeeper. We even got a tank. Now, I hope the tank is not going to shoot the other guys. There we go. He's shooting already. We got ourselves a convoy. We got 2 Winnebagos. Nice truck. There, we got some people up there.
Good.
We got Paul.
Oh, all right, I'm in.
There, you're in it.
Much better. I gotta be in every one of your videos. Wow.
Okay. And then we have the rest of the convoy coming up. A lot of people showed up, which is nice. And we have another trailer like mine, but he's running the riding the El Camino beside the 64. Nice truck. It's all dirty.
Like they should be, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Why does it do that? It was clean when we got it.
Oh, look at that. We got some street rods coming here. Ooh, he's got a big blower on there. Ooh. Oh, El Camino. Oh, here's a Chevelle. Oh, here comes a rig with a tank. And darn, that's it. Now I gotta catch up. Hey, Paul, you're driving all crooked. Oh, skateboarder.
Awesome.
Trying to split the 2 guys. Oh, he's got a friggin' sound module in there. Which gear are you on?
I'm in low gear.
Low gear?
Yeah, great.
Hey, we're getting to the bridge. Whoa, my 64 is moving. Here we'll have a nice little Toyota with very wide axle and tires sticking out. Now that's a beefed up Toyota.
Ripping by.
Oh, what do we have here? Military Hummer? Is that the new body?
That's the old tactical from Traxxas.
Oh yeah? Cool. What do we have here? TRX4 in front?
Yep, TRX4 in front, Element Trail Walker in the back.
Element Trail Walker in the back. Cool. And look at that. You even got good proper stickers at the back there.
That's right, man.
It's an MST with the motor at the back. Yeah, I've seen that on my trails before.
Yep, it's popular one.
Yeah. You should come to the new place.
I've been there. I was there last time.
Okay.
For the grand opening.
Yeah.
I'm coming again, bringing a buddy too. We're coming again with Zoe.
Cool.
On the 25th.
Cool. There we go. We're catching up to the Winnebago again. I guess he's checking his dry shaft again. And we have dogs.
Yeah, daughter for an oldie.
Chevelle, Tonka Winnebago going in circles also. Oh, the Chevelle did a circle, not doing it anymore. Can it catch up to me? I think it can. Oh, he took a shortcut. Oh, there we go. We got some people at the beach crawling on the rocks and having fun with the logs. The gatekeeper over there trying to get over stuff. And we got a crawler here. Round and round we go. We're dizzy. We're getting dizzy here. Oh, there's 110 Hobby.
Watch me get stuck.
Watch you get stuck? Okay, I'm watching.
Oh.
You didn't get stuck. Oh. And we got some guys having fun on the parking lot. When in doubt, throttle out.
Real close up of that beautiful truck.
Yeah, I did. Hey, there's a black truck pulling a black car. There's a 110 Hobby thingamajig. There's Holly's.
You're a thingamajig.
Call this truck a thingamajig. Now he's calling my rig a thingamajig. So which rig is that?
That's the King Hauler.
King Hauler? Is that extended or that's how it comes?
No, that's extended.
Extended?
Yeah.
And what do you got in the back?
Traxxas Sport Track 2.0 and the low seat.
And the one in the rear is a low seat.
Yep.
Cool.
Did you get a really big truck or what? What?
Man really wants to. Looking good, Frank.
Don't worry, I'm not leaving you, he said. Don't worry.
Hey, I waited.
I was making a video, I turn around and everybody's gone. I go, darn, let's hurry.
You got a video though.
Oh yeah.
Trailer, car. I have a spare in the back. Mike, no, I got another one. Yep, loaded up, ready to rock.
It's battery swap. It's like doing a gas station right on the side of the road.
That's right.
Gas issue. Wait a minute, somebody's going backward. That's just Kevin? Okay.
Look at this combo, Frank.
Oh, look at that, he's throwing.
This is Chevy pulling a Chevy.
A Chevy pulling a Chevy. That actually looked good all black compared to the picture they put up on the... There we go, we're getting back to the end. Been gone. How many hours we've been gone now? That's not bad. Almost an hour. 7, yeah. Almost an hour gone to go there and back. So, that was a nice hike. Oh, we got ourselves a tank battle here.
Gee, that's so far around. I found out.
The little Winnebago that could.
Oh yeah, it's different. I was trying to make it tougher.
Oh, okay.
But that's why I'm digging in.
Woohoo! It's 14 pounds. I got to watch out what I hit.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, this side's a little too steep. Too many trucks coming up. I don't know which way to go. GCM for the win. Yeah. Whoa! No! No! Need a recovery truck.
I'm cheating because my gun screw came out, so I'm only on 4-wheel drive right now.
Okay.
Well, you got it after upgrading because, like.
That's a cool truck. Hey, do you want to race against my Winnebago? Your truck versus my Winnebago. Who do you think is going to win? And how much you want to bet? $2? Okay, where are we going to go?
Up the hill.
Up the hill? But I got a big Winnebago. Okay, we're going to go up the hill. Okay? On your mark, get set, go! Oh. I got to go the other way because the hill is a little steep for me. So I got to go this way. Who's going to get on top first? Who's going to get there? Who's going to get there first? Oh, no, I'm stuck. Oh, I got stuck.
I got it up there.
Yeah, I got it up there too, but I think you beat me. But that was a close race.
Where's my $2?
Oh, he wants his $2 now. So here's $1. And here's $2. A gentleman's bet. There you go. $2. I lost a bet. I gotta put more juice in my Winnebago. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna put a 3S in mine and ask for a rematch.
Yeah.